Good morning, good morning. Just messing with my JDI push start for the 2000 Honda Civic. I love it. Quality's excellent. Wirings are all factory, and it's a plug-and-play system. It's super dope. Only downside is that when I put my steering wheel column back in, you only have one screw down here, one screw that goes right here, and you don't get these two screws anymore because that's on the actual ignition. So when I plug it in, it's loose and it kind of aims down. So what happens is when I'm turning, I hear it rubbing on right here. So that's the only thing. So I'm gonna have to figure something out to put like a bracket to keep it from rubbing. So something that's gonna lift it up. If it lifts it up a little bit, then that'll work fine. So that's the only downfall that I found with this system. Super dope. I love it. But yeah, good shit. Maybe they can sell a bracket in the future that'll stop that. But because there's nothing here that's gonna put those two screws in, and it's just kind of it just hangs a little bit. It hangs down and you'll get that rubbing. Let me show you an example. All right, guys, so here's a little example. So as you can see right here, it's definitely not center. So with the ignition, it'll bring it up to right there. And so as you can see right now, it sags. Let's see, a little example. Let me try to push it up a little bit. Okay. All right, guys. So right now it's not, but I guess when it sags, that's because I pushed it up for a second. Okay. Even that, you can see right there, it's definitely hitting. So it's hard to push it up too and stays there. So if you can see that, it's supposed to be something like that, and which will get no rub. But it falls right back down. So that's just the only downfall I have. But hopefully they can fix that with a bracket to eliminate the actual. So this is the two bolts that it actually connects to, and that goes to the steering column. But yeah,